Hi, in front of me I have a FOSSIL Carlyle GEN 5, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, simply press the middle button, like this. Then swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, like this. And here we have Do Not Disturb mode icon, the one in the middle. To enable the mode, simply tap on it, like that. As you can see now, the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. And to disable the Do Not Disturb mode, you need to open the quick panel again and tap on this icon again to disable it, like this. You can also press and hold on this icon to open the override Do Not Disturb for, and basically here you can select or rather turn on few options like calls from favorites, reminders, events, and alarms. So basically, if you enable option called calls from favorites, the Do Not Disturb mode will not work if somebody from your favorites list will call you. Basically, if you have reminders set up and you enable this option, the reminders won't also be silenced, and events and alarms. I don't know if you can enable the alarms, but maybe you need to set the alarm first to be able to enable this option. And once you're done, simply press the middle button to go back. And that's how you enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.